So stay to the end of this. Stay to the end of the video from Pensacola, or at least this video from.
And show y'all what to do if you don't have an egg tray, an egg carrier, whatever you want to call it, to carry your eggs to.
Hello folks, and in the last video the old Minuteman struggled to get that 2-post lift up. Well, unfortunately he was by himself again. I guess he's gonna have to find himself a new partner. Well,
Hey everyone, Jamie Phillips here, Action Auto Parts. I'm in the old Tahoe. Today, didn't get the rollback I wanted, but I got one up here with aluminum bed. So we moved that red Ford truck back. We brought the Expedition, the Saturday.
Welcome back to the blog. Welcome back to Beamer and Son Garage. All my subscribers and friends out there, and enemies, and police departments, you're all welcome.
Drive High Jeff from Two Hats Garage. Well,
it's been sitting for 10 years, so I figured what we would do is let's just make a